Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, so my name is Muhlopeni Jackson Marakalala from South Africa. So thank you so much, Prof. Yonath. We always enjoy your great talks. So my question is more as to whether we know of mutations in the ribosomal machinery that could actually be associated with resistance to, for instance, antibiotics that you mentioned.
I don't know about such, that make better resistance or less resistance. I have no idea. I know that when antibiotics come in, they can induce mutations. This exists, and very big ones, and sometimes they change the structure. But these are induced by the antibiotics, not induced by some other power. However, I know about mutations in human ribosomes that are genetic mutations that are in the genes, not a consequence of something else, but in there. And they're associated with many diseases called cancer, many cancers, and with anemia called DBA. But there is a difference between genetic mutations and mutations that are caused by the antibiotics. Okay, did I answer?
Yes, you did. Thank you so much, Prof.
Thank you, Ada. If you could liberate your screen sharing if you stop the screen sharing, then we can see you better. There was a question from Wanderlei.
Yeah, well, Ada, very nice presentation. I always like very much your presentation. You always put a very personal point of view on things, so thank you. Now, what do you think are the real possibilities for new antibiotics for this big increase of resistant bacteria? I know that you always proposing a very nice alternative mechanism and everything, but companies are declaring that they are unable to come with solution in the next few years. And we see, especially now with pneumonia growing because of this pandemic, what you think are the possibilities of having in 1 or 2 years new chances of fighting those resistant bacteria?
I cannot tell you in time. You ask 1 or 2 years, this is above me. But I do know that the companies are trying only the easy way. Either the antibiotics that are already in existence or a little bit changes of them. And this doesn't work because there is already a lot of resistance. When I'm trying to talk to them about new concept, like our concept, they throw me away. There are already 4 companies that made fun of me. And when I told them that pneumonia is one problem, but a bigger problem is the expected death of people at young age from infectious diseases, like it was before antibiotics. And when I tell them if more people die in young age or relatively young age, 40, 50, 60, not all, they will lose a lot of their clients that are buying their expensive drugs, then they really become upset, but they still don't go into it. So to tell you what are the prospects, unless the concept is changed, I'm not sure there will be much. So we have a new concept. We are not the only ones. There are many that think, or I hope that they are, and hopefully something will work, but the companies are not open. I'm sorry. Those that have to produce it are not open. It's too expensive. They have to show profit. For them, it's more important than life.
But you agree that we need a fast alternative, right?
We need that somebody listens to the already even published alternatives.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ada.
That's my opinion. Maybe I'm too tough.